what we're going to show you is we're going to take Canadian tar sands or oil sands, remove the oil or bitumen from this, and leave this clean sand that's cleaned down to parts per million. While we're doing it, we will also show that we can recapture our liquid catalyst that we're using to be able to pull this oil or bitumen out. You can see how quickly it breaks the bond, and you see how it's flowing. And if you also notice, it doesn't stick to the sides. While it's encapsulated in our PAL, we get this down to parts per million, so it's like beach sand. When this dries, this will be white sand, just like over in the other. Whoop. And so you can see here, just by mere gravity, no heat or pressure, you can see this is now clean. Our liquid is pretty well cleaned. All of the bitumen flows like diesel fuel. See, it's flowing out. This currently has both the
catalyst and the oil and the bitumen.
Our catalyst and the bitumen in it that's been dropped out of here. We've separated it fully, and this bitumen is a lot. We're going to turn this off so that the vapors then go out here, and this is a chip. This is set for approximately 140 degrees. It's not really warmed up yet, but when the catalyst went into a vapor form, and the oil or this process. That's starting. Well, it's not ready. Sir, you can see the drip starting now. That is our liquid being recaptured. It's coming off as a gas, flowing over, being chilled. So it comes off by taking it that about 30 degree point that we establish. Then it's going to come over, and then through here we're chilling it to make it go back to a liquid. It's a normal still. But our liquid is off of it, then it's going to get very sticky like the normal bitumen would be, very heavy and very sticky. A use of the CO2 that's being created, the CO2 is coming off by burning the extra barrel to get the other two. And whenever you use steam lakes, so they have one problem is the CO2, the second is polluted water as a value. This, you can see it's starting to come back down. Still have some in here. Sand that we have. You can see right here as I rub that sand, it's really not creating a big black spot, which normally would be if it was full of oil. It's clean. See where I rubbed it? So that shows how clean we're getting all the oil out of that sand. There's some black specks, but that's not oil. That's just the nature of the grain. So you can see that. So, okay, I think we're pretty well left in. this case what we've done, how clean we are getting this this sand so that it can be thrown back in the ground and items can grow with it. Thank you. And